Hello, in this video we take a look at how Immerse2learn certificates are enabled, disabled, earned, and accessed. Let's start with how to enable and disable certificates. By default, all certificates in Immerse2learn are enabled. To control if a certificate is enabled or disabled, go to the class editor. The class editor is accessed by clicking the class editor icon under Actions for the desired class. Click the ribbon bar titled Courses to expand this section. In the far right column, the certificate can be enabled or disabled. If a certificate is disabled and you would like to enable it, click the checkbox, then click the Update button at the top right of the page. The certificate is now enabled. If a certificate is enabled and you would like to disable it, click the checkbox to uncheck it, then click the Update button at the top right of the page. The certificate is now disabled. In the Courses section of the class editor, you can also identify which courses students can earn a certificate for. If a certificate is available for a course, the checkbox in the certificate column will not be grayed out. Notice the checkbox for the Getting Started course is grayed out, meaning there is not a certificate available for this course. The required criteria for a student to earn a course certificate is as follows. Students must complete all quizzes and post-tests, complete the course comprehensive exam, and achieve an average test score of 80% or higher. When the requirements are met, both the student and instructor can view and print the certificates. Instructors must go to the student's progress report to view and print certificates. Navigate to the student's progress report. First click the logo at the top left of the web page to return to your Immerse2learn homepage. Next, click the class assessment report icon under Actions for the desired class. In the class assessment report, notice there are 4 icons to the left of each student's name. The progress report, where the certificates are located, is accessed by clicking the bar chart icon. In this example, the student has completed 10 of 10 assessments with an average of 97%, so there's a certificate available in the certificate column. Click the icon in the certificate column to view the certificate. Each certificate will have a student's name, the name of the course, the date the certificate was awarded, and a unique certification ID. From here, you can save or print the certificate from your web browser. Students can access their certificate from their home page. In this example, I have logged in as a student. Notice the home page is slightly different than an instructor's home page. I'll click the class title to expand the list of courses. Each course has a completion status and a certificate icon where a certificate is available. In this example, the student has earned a certificate for the Safety for Machining course. I can click the certificate icon to view the certificate. From here, the student can save or print the certificate from their web browser. This concludes the video on Immerse2learn certificates. For Immerse2learn support, contact support@immerse2learn.com.